I'm gonna show you how to make a Twitter bot.
Bots, those fake accounts that retweet, comment, and sometimes get nasty on Twitter. They're easy to create, and according to a new study, they're pushing a lot of coronavirus content.
We knew there would be a lot of bots, but it was surprising how many of them there were.
Researchers at Carnegie Mellon examined more than 200 million tweets about COVID-19 since the beginning of the pandemic and found 45% were from bots. Like this one, used to push anti-lockdown and anti-mask messaging. Researchers say some bots seem to be promoting havoc, but others have a clear goal.
Some of them are definitely, promoting the agendas of different countries.
That messaging from state-run media or government leaders then gets tweeted and retweeted by bots, spreading the message and making it seem like a widely held belief.
Hundreds and hundreds of fake accounts.
If you ask the conservative-leaning Leadership Institute, two countries in particular come to mind.
China is very actively working to try to rewrite the narrative. How are they doing that? Well, number one, they're accusing the United States of being the origin of the virus.
Like this tweet from a Chinese government official implying the U.S. Army created the virus. And then there's Russia, which disinformation watchdogs say is pushing ideas like hand washing doesn't help prevent the spread of COVID.
The Russians are clearly engaged in an effort to prolong the pandemic outside of Russia as long as possible.
And the EU says that false information is also dangerous.
Unlike during previous cases of political disinformation, here actually people's lives are at stake, people's health is at stake. So this is what makes it very dangerous.
The Chinese embassy didn't respond, but Russia did, saying that a few biased experts were trying to blame Russia for all the world's calamities. Katie Nicholson, CBC News, Toronto.